Hello everybody and welcome to our today's video. So before moving on, can you please tell us in which month is your mother's birthday? Do tell us in the comment section below in any of the foreign languages. And moving on, today's words of the day are wife and husband. In French, wife is femme, husband is mari. In Spanish, wife is esposa, husband is marido. In Italian, wife is moglie and husband is marito. In Portuguese, wife is mulher and husband is marido. Thanks for watching our today's video, and if you've not subscribed, do subscribe, like and share our video.